Hello, my name is Robin Harris of Wellbeing, and I'm so excited and looking forward to being part of the Back to Nature Fest. As you might gather from the name of my business, Wild Wellbeing, it very much draws on the wisdom of nature. That's very much been a part of my own healing and well-being journey. I'm a passionate believer that the body doesn't make mistakes. It doesn't do things randomly and it doesn't get things wrong. It's actually responding to its inner blueprint and all of those systems that are designed for our well-being. But sometimes something in the environment, whether that's external or internal environment, our thoughts and our beliefs, are preventing it from going through to complete healing and to being back on that beautiful, balanced, harmonized way of being. So my work is around exploring that. And the symptoms that we experience, any dis-ease, whether that's physical, emotional, psychological, it actually tells us, when we know how to unpack it, it tells us what's going on. So I look at patterns of behavior or physical things that are going on in the body, because our tissues and our organs respond in very specific ways. And in understanding what they're doing right now, we can then know what the body is asking for. And like a plant, we just need the right environment in order to thrive. Bruce Lipton says this in his book, Biology of Belief. It's all about the environment. So how can we create the right environment for ourselves? And I think we learn a lot from looking at nature. So say a plant needs a certain level of light and nutrition and water, and we need certain levels of environment as well. And our body's actually seeking to share that with us. The problem in our modern busy world is that we don't have those spaces of quiet and stillness. And that's what nature offers us. That's why I'm so passionate about this event. Nature invites us to get still, to find those spaces of quiet where we can really tune in and listen to that wisdom and that guidance from our body. So that's what I'll be looking at the event, and I really hope that you can join us, because I think this is going to be the perfect space for exploring all the different ways in which nature can support us, help our healing and help our well-being and enable us to thrive. So hope to see you there.